it's Gina with WTI. Do you love to travel as much as I do? Something that always frustrates me about traveling is trying to keep things neat and organized. I just came back from a trip across the United States, and something that kept my suitcase so tidy are these compression cubes from Tripped. In the past, I've always rolled my garments and tried to keep them in the same area in the suitcase, or I've separated my dirty clothes from my clean clothes just using a plastic shopping bag. So I am so delighted to have something that works really well and is reusable. I was able to fit 5 days worth of clothing into just these 4 compression cubes. So that includes undergarments, socks, jeans, and shirts, as well as pajamas. It's so cool to watch all the clothes shrink up when you use the compression zipper on the outside of the bag. I just love how compact it made everything, and it really satisfied the nerd inside of me that wants everything to stay neat and clean and tidy. Also, the laundry bag is amazing because then you can just put the dirty laundry inside of it and it's ready to go, and it keeps it away from all your clean laundry. I like the addition of the little zippered bag also because I could put my supplements inside of it and some of my toiletries and keep them in one spot without them getting everywhere, and it made it really easy to locate those when I was on vacation. I just love this color. It's like a light aqua with the gray accent handles and zipper. It's just gorgeous. If you've been on the fence about whether you need compression cubes for your next trip, you absolutely do. Get yourself some from Tripped, and that's my point of view.